Unfortunately kwinda ngicela mfethu sikhulume nge man of the match yakho ubani odlalele kamnandi fana.
Hayi Mufukeni. Really Mufukeni is a star mfana wami. I don't know what to lie. For that guy he deserves everything. It's a player of the season. Mufukeni. I don't know if you're favorite when back a ball. For don't say Pirates what, but when you see for that guy's playing well, Mufukeni. For the league, we are the decider.
You feel like you are a decider?
We'll talk after 26. I will talk.
After the derby, after the Sundowns game.
After derby, I will talk. Okay. We'll talk. Yeah, but for the so. But Patel, when Patel, often win the league. You must pay.
When I ngizobe ngiphethe upelepele no osawoti yacombothe London ngomhla ka26 mele uthi achu baba baba
Ekwinda konje okay mamela ne realistically speaking what is gonna be a position obona ngathi makuphela isizini iKaizer Chiefs mangapheli kuyo uzokhona ukukhululeka na ukuthi okay we tried this season.
Yeah, you know what, obviously for Kaizer Chiefs they're gonna be position number 3. Kaizer Chiefs ingasi be number 2 or number 1.
League so close to number 1 and 2.
We are far away. Oh, we are fighting for position number 3 so we can play the CAF Confederations Cup only.
And then coming next season, are you still hoping to come back with these two coaches / translators?
We need the new coach. We need the new coach. Because laba abantu bagala win lose so sifuna consistency.
Umtawumi mfethu bangagaya wena power athi mina ngikunikeza power to select any coach oyifunayo ngakhetha abantu.
Peter Musimane. Peter Musimane.
The technical team yakhe yonke.
Yeah, Peter Musimane ne.
Yeah.
Sharp. Yeah, I want to Peter Musimane azela everything they're going to be fine.
So makafika uPitso, what are you hoping to achieve? Are you hoping to him ukuthi adeliver ama results in his first season or uzomnika a season of grace ukuthi